Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to read and write values to the Codesys application running on a Raspberry Pi by using a Node-Red and MQTT application. Before moving further, I would like to show you the network architecture of my system. See, as you can see, I have the Wi-Fi router connected with the Raspberry Pi and the HP Pavilion notebook, which is my laptop. So as on the present, I am using the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B Plus with the Raspbian JC operating system. And also, as you can see, I have the Node-RED and the Tight VNC server softwares are installed on my Raspberry Pi. Along with that, I have the Codesys controlled runtime for Raspberry Pi is also installed, which has a version of 3.5.15.20. And also, I have assigned the IP address to the Raspberry Pi, which is 192.168.1.105. Same way, I have my laptop on which the Codesys version 3.5 SP15 patch 2 software is used, which is used to download the program and to download program and creation blocks. Also, so as you can see, I have the Codesys application. Here you can see what I've done in my program is I've just created few variable just to show you how basically the Codesys application can be accessed, or the variables can be accessed with the Node-RED and the MQTT. Here, as you can see, I have the device Codesys control for Raspberry Pi. So this is my PLC basically, and in the program I have created few variable like start, counter 1, counter 2, value, string data. So basically my logic is written right over here. So logic is that when I press the start push button, my counter 2 reset back to 0 and the counter 1 start incrementing. So when that counter 1 in value reaches to the 10,000, it reset back to 0, and the string just to show you the indication that counter 1 is running. And when the start push button is off, the counter 1 reset back to 0 and the counter 2 start incrementing. Again, it when it reaches it just try to go beyond the 10,000, again it reset back to 0. Same way here also, the string to indicate that counter 2 is running. The next variable, the I value, just I'm showing the each time when the start push button is pressed, the I value incremented by 1, just to show how many times we are pressing or how many times we are actuating the start push button, just to show that. So this program is communicating to the Node-RED application with OPC UA server. So for this, I've created a symbol configuration in which the tags which are coming under the PLC underscore program in this section especially is coming under this program are configured for the OPC UA application, which is accessed by Node-RED and MQTT. So this program has been already downloaded to my Raspberry Pi controller. So now I will show you my mobile application. So here, as you can see, I have the MQTT SGC is configured with the MQTT, the server name. The name is configure MQTT SGC, and the address is configure test.mosquito.org. So, and this is the port number. Under this section, I have the application. I have created few objects like the numeric indication, the start switch, the string data, which is already there inside the Codesys program, right? So as you can see, whenever I press the start switch on, the logic gets simultaneously actuated. This is the window. Basically, as you can see, this is the window of my mobile screen. but my mobile is not connected with the Wi-Fi system which I already have. So it is communicating over the Geo network through mobile data. So whenever I press the start switch, the counter one start. I am also getting the the string data. The counter one is running. As you can see right over here, the counter one is running. So when I press the start switch off, the counter 2 started incrementing. The text value also get changes, the string data, the counter 2 is running. This is also simultaneously get reflected in the program also, and the value also get incremented. So again, when I press start switch on the mobile screen, this value again get incremented by 1. Just to show you how the MQTT, the buttons has been configured. If I go to any specific button, I've created name of that button as counter 1, and I have created a topic sgc/iot slash data underscore 0. Okay, so basically this topic is configured right over here with the same server name, which is used to access the uh, which is nothing but the MQTT server to test your mobile application. So this is also configured right over here, and the topic is configured right over here. So each time whenever the counter value get updated, this will send send over the internet to the MQTT application. So this can be simultaneously seen in this window. We have the counter one running. When I again press the push button, this is the Node-Red application. So here, as you can see, when I press again start push button, the counter one increments. Again, when I press this start switch one more time, I have to make it off. After that, the counter 2 will start increment. Same thing can be controlled from the Node-RED display as well. Okay, so this is a way we can control the Codesys application variables with the Node-RED and the MQTT application. I hope you will like this video. Please do comment and share this video. Okay, thank you.